Hi guys, in this tutorial you can learn how to do eye blink transition in TwinScape AceMovi. The first step, drag the first footage onto the timeline. And then drag another footage behind the first one. Make sure that they are seamlessly attached. Then go to the resource library, drag the black background between the two footage. And then go to transition, apply the circle zoom out at the beginning of the black background, and apply the circle zoom in at the end of it. Adjust the length of the transitions to make it look like an eye blink. You can play back the transition for several times to make it look perfect. Once you're done with it, click export and save the video to your computer. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.